here to tell you guys that cat distribution system has finally found me, and now it's my time to shine with my cat.
I have to make it very quick. I mean real quick, because I want to show you something. Most of you guys asking me. Okay guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I adopted a cat. Yes. Oh God. She has blue eyes and I named her Bluey. Bluey. See. Bluey. Oh, Shokoto. Ooh. This is a cat. Yes, you heard it right. I adopted a cat. It's a rescue kitten, you know. One day when I was receiving my pizza order, and she is, in between the, rocks, and I thought, oh, how can I leave her? Like, oh my God. And I thought, why not to adopt her, why I rescued her, because it's summer, honey, in India. It's too hot right now, and how can I leave this poor thing in the, and there are so many dogs. And she is so clumsy and so naughty. You're so naughty, kitty. Ouch. I adopted her and it's been 3 days. She's with me. Oh, get to see. She's a little paw. Welcome, Bluey, to the new family. Yay! I'm so grateful for her that I found her. I'm so happy right now because after so many things I happened, this is the best thing that happened to me in 2025, and I love her so much. Sorry guys for this late study vlog. I've been busy with her stuff and busy with her all the kitten stuff, guys. I'm a mom now. Yes, a kitty mom. I'm a kitten. I'm a parent now. I'm a cat mom now. Basically I'm a cat mom. It's my dream to be a cat mom, and I living it. I'm trying to study, and look who came. Look who is here. Look who is here. She is here. Hi everyone. So I'm just tired of studying, so I thought, why not to walk outside for a little bit with my Bluey. She's very curious to enjoy herself. Real. Boy, I use this perfume, kind of. This has kind of like ice water, frosty kind of smell, and I kind of love that, smell. I don't know, lately I've been loving this, cold, icy kind of perfume scents. But anyway, Korean learning update. This is going to be week, I think, 2 or second week. I think I am at, I already done with the vocabulary, and I'm revising, and I'm already done with the conversational phrases. Now next week, it means tomorrow is Monday, we are going to be learning the real villain is grammar. Yes, we are going to learn next Monday, Korean grammar. Yeah, I hope your summer is going well. Happy summers to all of you, and yes. So, hi guys. Show you my real skin. I thought, why not to show you the real skin of mine. This is my real skin. I am currently breaking out right now, but if you have seen my previous videos, I have so many spots right here. But right now, the spots are gone. See. I have, oily skin and whitehead prone skin, kind of, bumpy skin. So I am not good at taking care of my skin. But have you seen that video of mine? I will here keep a link, that in which I show a face wash to you, salicylic acid face wash, that working so good for me. I also give her a good flea bath, and yeah, she is more active now, and it's currently 1 week. She is with me, and she's happy and eating healthy, and so yuki. See how she's looking. See, she attacked my finger. See, and she's a very attacking girl. You can see that. I hope you like this video, and I will meet you in my next video soon. And till then, take care and bye bye. Subscribe for the new journey with me and my Bluey. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.